Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this section, we're going to cover even more ways to protect your trailer tires during the cold months. Let's get into it. Best practices for storing your trailer tires in winter. Storing trailer tires properly during the winter isn't just about keeping them out of sight. It's a smart way to prevent cracking, dry rot, and unnecessary wear that can shorten their lifespan. When temperatures drop, tires need extra care to ensure they're road-ready when the warmer months return. Let's dive into some straightforward methods for storing your trailer tires effectively. Removing and storing tires indoors. If you know your trailer won't be in use for a while, removing the tires and storing them indoors is a smart move. Cold weather can wreak havoc on tires left out in freezing conditions, and bringing them inside can significantly reduce damage risks. Here's how to do it. Clean the tires first. Wash off dirt, salt, and any debris. Salt residue, often picked up from the road, can speed up deterioration. Store in a cool, dry place. Find an indoor storage space that avoids extreme temperature fluctuations and direct sunlight. Stack them properly. For tires without rims, store them upright, side by side. If tires are mounted on rims, they can be stacked flat on top of one another. Why does this matter? Indoor storage protects from freezing temps, moisture, and UV rays, all of which contribute to cracking. It's like giving your tires a winter break. They stay in better shape while avoiding the harsh conditions outside. Elevating trailers to minimize tire strain. When a trailer sits in one spot all winter, the tires bear the full weight of the trailer, leading to flat spots and added strain. Elevating your trailer with jacks or blocks can take the pressure off the tires and keep them from wearing unevenly. Follow these steps to elevate your trailer. Use sturdy jack stands or blocks designed specifically for trailers. Make sure they can handle the trailer's weight securely. Place the supports under the trailer's frame, not the axles, for even weight distribution. Lift the trailer just enough so that the tires aren't touching the ground but avoid over-raising it, which can strain other components. Think of it this way: storing a trailer without elevating it is like sleeping on a lumpy mattress. The pressure points cause discomfort, and over time, they leave a mark. Taking the weight off your trailer tires prevents flat spots and lets the rubber maintain its shape, even in freezing weather. Rotating tires before long-term storage. Tire rotation isn't just for when you're driving, it's also a great step to take before winter storage. Why? Rotation ensures that the wear on your tires is evenly distributed, reducing the chances of cracks forming in areas that are more stressed. Here's what to do. Before taking the trailer off the road for winter, rotate the tires from front to back or diagonal positions, depending on your trailer type. If the trailer has dual-axle tires, make sure all positions see equal road time before parking it for storage. Note the last position of each tire so you can keep the rotation pattern consistent next time. Uneven wear is one of the sneaky culprits behind cracking. By rotating your tires, you help balance out the strain and ensure no single spot is under too much pressure. It's like sharing the load evenly on a long road trip. Everyone benefits when the work is divided. By taking these precautions, you're giving your trailer tires the best chance to come out of winter unscathed. Storing them properly reduces the risks, protects the investment you've made, and keeps your trailer ready for the road ahead. Common mistakes to avoid when caring for trailer tires in winter. Protecting your trailer tires from cracking during cold weather doesn't just mean taking action. It's also about avoiding common mistakes that can make the problem worse. Missteps in winter tire care can accelerate damage, turning minor issues into costly replacements. Here are the biggest pitfalls to steer clear of when maintaining your trailer tires in freezing conditions. Ignoring regular inspections. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking tires are fine as long as they're holding air. But neglecting regular inspections, especially in winter, is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes you can make. Winter introduces unique stressors, like freezing temperatures and road salt, which can weaken rubber over time. Without inspections, small cracks on the sidewalls or tread can go unnoticed and become major safety hazards. Did you know those cracks could grow deeper and compromise the entire tire structure? Even dirt or ice buildup can mask signs of wear, leaving you with a ticking time bomb on your trailer. What should you do instead? Check tires weekly. Look for cracks, bulges, unusual wear, or discoloration. Inspect after storms or snow. Freezing and thawing cycles can accelerate damage, so give tires extra attention during harsh weather. Don't skip the valve stems. These small components can crack or loosen, leading to slow air leaks that worsen tire damage. Skipping inspections in the winter is like ignoring the check engine light in your car. It might seem fine now, but it's only a matter of time before it causes big problems. Overinflating tires as a quick fix. When temperatures drop, it's normal for tires to lose air pressure. Some people think overinflating their tires is a clever way to offset this, but it's actually a dangerous shortcut. Cold weather already makes tire rubber more brittle, and overinflating tires adds unnecessary stress to their structure. Think of it like blowing up a balloon too much. It's much more likely to pop under pressure. Overinflated tires can't flex properly, increasing the chances of cracking, especially when driving on icy or uneven roads. Here's why this approach backfires. Accelerated wear. The added pressure can cause uneven tread wear, shortening tire life. Weakened sidewalls. Overinflation makes sidewalls more rigid, which makes them more prone to cracking and splitting. Reduced traction. Too much air leads to less tire surface in contact with the road, creating slippery conditions. Instead of overinflating, check your tire pressure regularly and aim for the manufacturer's recommended PSI. Tires are designed to handle slight pressure fluctuations, and properly inflated tires handle winter conditions much better. Using inappropriate cleaning products. Cleaning your trailer tires is essential for winter care, but many people mistakenly use the wrong products, unknowingly causing more harm than good. Household cleaners, degreasers, and other harsh chemicals can strip away the natural oils in tire rubber, leaving it dry, brittle, and more prone to cracking. Even some car tire cleaners aren't safe for trailer tires in freezing conditions. They can leave behind residues that freeze, reducing the flexibility of the rubber. Not all clean is good clean. What's left on the surface matters just as much as what's washed away. Avoid these pitfalls by sticking to trailer-safe products. Skip the hard stuff. Avoid alcohol-based or petroleum-based cleaners, which can degrade rubber in the cold. Go for water-based products. These are gentler and designed to preserve the flexibility of tire rubber. Don't forget the rinse. Ensure all cleaning agents are completely washed off to prevent buildup that could freeze and damage the tire. Cleaning tires may seem like a small detail, but using the wrong products is like washing your hands with sandpaper. It does more harm than good and creates problems you didn't have in the first place. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll give your trailer tires a better shot at surviving winter unscathed. Proactive care paired with avoiding harmful habits keeps your tires flexible, reliable, and ready for the road. Winter can be especially tough on trailer tires, but with the right care, cracking is avoidable. Simple steps like maintaining proper tire pressure, using covers, storing tires correctly, and avoiding common mistakes can make a big difference. Taking action now prevents costly damage and keeps your trailer safe for the long haul. Your tires are a key investment. Protecting them isn't just about saving money but also about staying ready for the road. Start today with these tips and give your tires the care they need to weather the cold months ahead. How will you start protecting your tires this winter? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.